In the vast ecosystem of military spending, billions are poured into research and development, pushing technological boundaries for national security. Yet, not all ventures soar to success. The Avenger II, a stealth bomber for the US Navy, stands as a reminder that even ambitious projects can falter. This is the story of a technological marvel that never took to the skies. Join us as we delve into the history of the Avenger II, exploring its conception, design, and demise. The end of the Cold War brought a new era of uncertainty. The US Navy needed to adapt to a fractured global threat landscape. Out of this need, the Advanced Tactical Aircraft program was born, aiming to replace the aging A-6 Intruder. The Navy sought a carrier-based bomber capable of penetrating enemy airspace undetected and striking with precision. Enter the Avenger II, a bold concept promising to redefine naval air power. Its stealth capabilities would render it virtually invisible to enemy radar. The Avenger II's design was revolutionary. Its sleek, blended wing body minimized its radar signature, resembling a bird of prey. Internal weapons bays and advanced composite materials enhanced its stealth and performance. Two powerful turbofan engines and an advanced fly-by-wire system provided unparalleled maneuverability. The development of the Avenger II was a saga of ambition and innovation. Hundreds of engineers worked tirelessly, culminating in several prototypes. Test flights aimed to push the aircraft's performance, evaluating its stealth capabilities and handling. Despite complexities, the project seemed to progress well, with milestones met and technical hurdles overcome. Yet, the Avenger II project faced increasingly difficult challenges. Technological complexities led to delays and cost overruns. The collapse of the Soviet Union brought significant defense budget cuts, making the program hard to justify. Technical issues and mounting costs led to growing doubts about the project's viability. In the end, the challenges proved insurmountable. The project was officially cancelled in 1991, leaving questions about the future of naval aviation and high-cost projects. The $5 billion invested yielded no operational aircraft, a stark reminder of the risks in pushing technological boundaries. The story of the Avenger II is a sobering reminder that progress is not always linear. It serves as a testament to the ingenuity of engineers and a cautionary tale of the complexities and risks in ambitious endeavors. Although it never became operational, the Avenger II's legacy lives on, teaching valuable lessons. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more captivating stories from the world of science, technology, and innovation.